The first film I saw in theaters was an animated feature. I remember feeling like I'd entered this magical world of possibility with witches and princesses and fantastical creatures. And when the movie ended, my mom's boyfriend asked if I'd noticed how skin tones were used in character design, showing who was a hero and who was a villain. Of course, at the time, I had no idea what he was talking about, but his observations stuck with me. And I began watching movies more critically and considering what these films were saying about what good and bad people looked like, the place of women in the world, and what it felt like to be a teenager or differently abled. While I've never stopped asking these questions, studying film formally got me thinking about who decides which stories and experiences are important and why we study the work of certain filmmakers and thinkers, but not other equally talented and meticulous creatives. Side-eye cinema creates space to explore how films see the world, space to examine those perspectives, and space to name what we see. For film lovers who've searched the margins when the center wasn't enough, join the conversation and show us your side eye.